Hey everyone, my name is Farel Lukman Hakim. I'm from class 19.2A.03. I'm here to talk about my topic, which is the software and the hardware in computer. Let's talk about it. So first, what is software is? So basically, software is the core processing of a computer that the software is a set of instructions and its associated documentation that tells computer what to do. So basically, computer cannot do anything or even be playable when there is no software in it. Next, so there is a type of software that still in computers today. And there is three types of software. First is system software, application software, operating language system. We start in by system software. So system software is consists of the operating system. Example, there's like Windows, Mac, MacBook, and even Linux like that. Second is application software. Application software use the capacity of computer directly specific tasks. So it's like an application in the software of computer. For example, like the most we use today is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Sheets. There's still plenty of them, but this is the barely knowable. Next is operating language system. It's like a set of keywords, symbols, and system of rules for constructions statements by which humans communicate. For example, like when you try to make a system in computer, you should use a language in it. The language includes Python language, CSS, and Java language. If you don't understand those languages, the computer will never be operating correctly and it will shut down immediately. So what makes it? What is the functions of software is? Well, there's plenty of function in the software like hardware management, resource allocation, and file management. The hardware management consists of where it controls physical components like CPU, memory, and storage. So basically, it's it's where you store files in computer, and computer trying to save the files you are storing it. If you somehow manage to delete the files without your attention, the software it will recognize it and try to recover the file that you delete. Next, there's this resource of allocation. It distributes system resource to ensure smooth operation. So basically, software can make the computer or laptop run smoothly when you are using it. Like using Google, when you type the word, there's basically so smooth, nothing left. Everything is operating so smoothly. The last one is file management. So basically, file management is where a software working when you try on manage files like, like college files or work files. Software is actually pretty useful in that you can basically separate the files between the college and the work files, so you are never gonna be confusing about which files will you use. That's the function of software. So basically software is very important in computer. Next is what is hardware. Hardware is the physical aspect of computer. consists of probably like CPU, RAM, monitor, keyboard, and a mouse. There is again types of hardware. Like I was mentioned before, type of hardware consists of CPU. It's the brain of the computer. No CPU, the computer will never working. There's your motherboard. It's like the microcomputer. So without the motherboard, it's impossible to make a computer or even laptop. Motherboard is like the heart of computer. If you somehow breaks it, it will probably go die. The computer will shut down immediately. Next is RAM. RAM is so important in computer. It's for uh, when you play a game or even watching YouTube. RAM is where it works. RAM is very important because RAM provides the laptop to save the before you're using YouTube. RAM will remember. So basically, when you watch a YouTube video a minute ago, RAM will directly remembers it and will uh, stores the files of YouTube video, so you can watch the YouTube video again. So it's like a storage. Also, there's a function of hardware. First, inputs function. It is to allows user to enter data, command, and instruction to the computer. It's like a command prompt. You can create a data in there, create a system in there. That's why hardware is very important. Next is processing. The core processing is like when you or open the laptop, it will processing the system one by one. That's why hardware is very important when you using a laptop or even computer. Next is output. It's basically when the computer is already on after the processing level. That's the output of the hardware working. It will show the screen of the laptop. I think that's pretty much all I want to say. Thank you very much. Goodbye.